Baking Show. So today I'm going to show you how to cook banana bread. The things we will need are 3 bananas, half a cup of vegetable oil or melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs lightly beaten, a quarter of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of all-purpose bleached flour. The first thing you're going to do is go preheat the oven to 350. So here we can see that there's a quarter of a cup mark, a third of a cup mark, and a half a cup mark. So we want half a cup of melted butter, so we are going to put this whole thing in there. If you decided to use vegetable oil, you can use a half cup of vegetable oil and dump it into the bowl. We have our butter melted now, and we are going to go and dump it into the yellow bowl, unless you picked vegetable oil. Now, we are going to add our butter. We have 3 bananas in here, and now I'm going to mash them. We now have our bananas mashed. So now we are going to add 2 eggs. So when it said lightly beaten, that means we are going to take our spoon and kind of like beat it. We are now going to add 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. So now we are going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. And now we are going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to wait a bit until some bubbles pop up. So we can see some bubbles now popping up around the baking soda, like right here and here. And we are going to now mix it around. We are going to wait until some more bubbles pop up after you've mixed it. Now we have our 1 cup of sugar in the bowl, and now we are going to mix it. Now we are going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a quarter of a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We are going to mix all of our ingredients together now that we've put in there. Now we are going to add 2 cups of bleached all-purpose flour into the bowl. So now I am going to add 2 cups of all-purpose bleached flour into the dough. We've added 1 cup of flour, and now we are going to mix it. Now we have our 2nd cup in, and we are going to mix it. So now we are going to scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure there's no flour in there, and if there is, mix it in. Make sure to mix in all the flour. And when it is done, it should look like this. We are going to take all of the dough and put it in this pan. Now we are going to put our dough in the oven for 50 minutes and then check it. Now the banana bread is done, and it should look like this. We baked it for 52 minutes. You may have to do more or less. Cooking time over!